Yeah, by default, when this is 0, this is gonna send a 1 to the LED, and when it sends 1 to the ground pin, that means it's not gonna do any change. So the moment this pin, when the moment these pins go high, it's gonna go to 0, and then ground the ground pin of the LED, and then your LED goes on. Same goes for your switches. By default, when you're not pressing them, they output a 1. The moment you press them, they output a 0. So that's why SH doesn't have a ground, because shift or load by default is high, and if you want to shift your input, you have to ground it. You have to set your shift and load. You see, your shift and load by default, it should be high, and when the moment you press it, you push it down, it loads your your parallel load to your shift register. So that's an advantage. You don't need a NOT gate here. Just take note of that. What else? Your CPU is set, so clear set to the switches, and I don't know if there's a way to clear this thing here. Check bit clamp. Okay, so if I want to clear that, I would go to, let me see what happens here. Yep, let's try this. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if there's a better way to clear this thing here. Show JTEX. That's a start, stop. There's no clear. Okay, but let's just start it. Failed auto detect. And then start. Yeah. So yeah, it cleared. It's not doing anything right now. So by default, like I said, these things will be on. So it's not doing anything right now. So go back to your simulation, this one, and build that one. And then so let's see if our pins are still alright. So we have A and everything. Let's delete these. Yep. Let's delete this and this. Let's delete those. Just keep things clean. Oh yeah. Yeah, so your pins are still set. Build it. All right, and then auto detect. Yeah, and then start. So it finished successfully. So as you can see, both the LEDs are off. Nothing's happening. So if you press your button, that's a shift register, it detects a 2, and then later it detects a 7. And you want to reset, detect a 2, and then detect a 7. Yeah, so here, this is pin, this is J6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 beads. I took my ground from the board. I will show you in the lab how you can take your ground and your VCC. So as you can see here, this is my ground. It's connected to ground. That's 0. This is 1, 1, 1, which makes 7. And my 2 is grounded, 0, 0. This one is on VCC. And this one is ground. That makes 2. So yeah, but the most important thing here is that you should know how to make your pin assignments. And also understand the pin configurations here to make things easy during the labs, because we're probably going to have 2 sessions per day and you won't have enough time to if you don't really understand what is going on here. So yeah. So that's it. If you need any questions, you'll tell